Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas beanie hat in Roblox. First, you'll want to join the special seasonal event, often called Winter Spotlight. It's crucial to make sure you're entering the official experience published by Roblox Presents to ensure authenticity and access to the correct items. This event is your primary gateway to obtaining these festive accessories, so keep an eye out for its annual return. Once inside the Winter Spotlight event, your next step is to complete various quests and challenges. These activities are designed to be fun and festive, often involving minigames or scavenger hunts. As you successfully finish these tasks, you will earn special event tokens. These tokens are your currency for unlocking the unique holiday items, including the coveted Christmas beanie hats. After gathering enough tokens, navigate to the main event hub to find the redemption area, typically marked by a large gift box or a similar interactive element. Here, you will be prompted to insert your collected tokens. For example, one specific beanie might require just one token. Once redeemed, you will receive a badge, and the item will automatically appear in your Roblox inventory under Head Accessories. Remember that many Christmas-themed items, including beanies, are seasonal and available for a limited duration, usually during the winter holidays. While event participation is common, some festive hats might also be offered as free user-generated content drops or found in the avatar shop for 0 Robux. Always check official Roblox news and announcements to catch all the latest holiday offerings and ensure you don't miss out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.